Now we have listened for the steps as how to apply the conditional formatting. Now we will see that particular step practically, because what you see is what you understand. So practically I'm going to show you exactly how to apply the conditional formatting rules. First, step number one is that we have to select the range of the cells. So what I'm doing, I am selecting the range of the cell. So I'm selecting the range of the cell like this. Done. So step number one is done. I'm just showing you over here the various steps. Select the range of the cells where you have to apply conditional formatting. Go to format menu. So I will be going in go to format menu. When I click on format menu, what I will be able to get, select conditional formatting. You will see a drop down menu, format cell if. So click on the conditional formatting, format, conditional formatting. When you click on conditional formatting on the right hand side, you will get conditional formatting rules, single color, color scale. See the range of the cell, that is from B2 to B11. You are able to see B2 to B11. Over here also B2 to B11. Now format cell if the value is less than what, 35. See one more time, just click over here, scroll down, you will be able to get different, greater than, less than, or equal to. So I'm just selecting less than what, 35, and from here you can select the color. So I'm selecting the color, this one. It is too dark, I'll be going for some light color now. Perfect. Done. And then click on done. So this is done. The same thing can be applied for all the cells now. One more time, select it. Another way, add another rule. If the cell value is less than, give the value over here 35 and change the color. We have to change the fill color. So I'm selecting the fill color this, and when we click on done, you will be able to see that this is done. Now you are able to see in the presentation, we have to see green color also for the students, those who have scored greater than 80. So over here, when the conditional formatting is applied, once when you click on format, conditional formatting, this window will get open again. Now again select the range of the cell from B2 to D11. Okay, greater than, what, 80. Greater than 80, done. So you are able to see in this manner we have applied the conditional formatting rule. If you want to clear the rule, conditional formatting, just delete this particular button, the rules will be deleted. One more time, a very quick glance, select all the cell first, format cell, conditional formatting. If cell value is less than 35, select the color, click on done. If you want to add another rule, again the same cell is selected, B2 to D2. If it is greater than what, my kids, 80, just select on done. So you have applied the conditional formatting and your table is ready for less than as well as for more than type.